भी आप संवाद करते हो तभी आप किसी भी समस्या के उसके समाधान की तरफ उसकी संभावना को उत्पन्न करते हैं. And I think that dialogue with the youth is very important, and I would say a constant dialogue. The youth today is 65% of our population. 65% पॉपुलेशन के साथ डायलॉग बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, स्पेशली बिकॉज दैट इज गोइंग टू इंश्योर दैट यू आर creating a Bharat of their dreams, of their aspirations. And that is why, and I think the Modi government is doing that. That is why we have a Prime Minister who is more millennial than millennials and more Gen Z than most Gen Z. That is why you have a Prime Minister who articulates and understands that artificial intelligence, AI, actually stands for aspirational India. That is why you have a Prime Minister who talks about climate change, जिसने क्लाइमेट चेंज को केवल एक वैश्विक चुनौती के रूप में नहीं, एक राष्ट्रीय संकल्प के रूप में लिया है. इसीलिए ही टॉक्स अबाउट कैच द रेन कैंपेन. And I think one of the reasons why the Modi administration is so in tune with what the youth aspires for is because there is a constant dialogue with the youth. And I must say, I can give you one thing that actually shows you why this is happening. We are the third largest ecosystem of startups in the world. This is impossible without a constant dialogue with the youth of the country.
Absolutely. I think you're so right. I think our country is listening to the youth and listening effectively. I believe that this year or end of last year, we also had the National Social Media Awards. That has never happened before. Yes, of course. So I feel like, and a large population of these summits and these awards are the youth, which are people under 25, under 30.
Yes.
So I do appreciate that the dialogue is being listened to. It's not just a one-way conversation. In fact, here in this hall also, I feel like there are so many youth here. How many people are here below the age of 30? Okay, that is a good population. That is, the backbenchers are not even replying. Are they younger or are they just least bothered? How many at the back are less than age of 30? Can I show of hands? So we talked about dialogue here, and Basiri, would you be open to a dialogue right now?
Course,
yeah,
no
absolutely. So any of the youth who are below 30, I'm not judging by age, but this is just because we're talking.
I don't think we should be ageist. I
It's
think
not
we should open
ageist.
the floor.
Maybe the first question. Maybe the first question could be from you.
There are people here who are probably 60 years young, and they're probably more youthful than us.
Absolutely.
So I think let's open the room to everyone, and let's not be ageist about it.
All right, then maybe the first question from a person who's age-wise youth, but माइक आपकी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है. मेरा वीडियो बनाने से. See, we talked about youth dialogue.
नाम क्या है बेटा?
मैम वो
ऑन है ये.
ओके मैम मेरा नाम कृष्णा है और मैं भोपाल से हूँ.
नमस्कार बेटा.
नमस्कार.
बहुत सुंदर शहर है भोपाल.
थैंक यू मैम मेरा एक थोड़ा इमोशनल क्वेश्चन था. जैसे कि अभी मैं भोपाल से हूँ, मेरे को दिल्ली में आए हुए 6 महीने हुए हैं. जब मैं घर पे रहता था तो मतलब मम्मा की इतनी वैल्यू समझ नहीं आती थी.
क्या नहीं आती थी?
जब मैं घर पे रहता था
हाँ.
तो मम्मा की वैल्यू समझ नहीं आती थी.
हाँ.
अब मुझे लगता है कि मम्मा बहुत वैल्यूएबल होती है.
बहुत.
रियलिटी है ये. मुझे अभी समझ आई है, पहले नहीं है. पहले मुझ में अकल नहीं थी. तो आपको मम्मा की याद आती है अभी भी?
Of course. और मैं एक चीज बता दूं, ऐसी थोड़ी कहते हैं अंग्रेजी में डिस्टेंस मेक्स अ हार्ट ग्रो फॉन्डर. लेकिन इतना जरूर कहूंगी कि 11 मई को मदर्स डे है. कोशिश करो अगर उनके पास जा सको, अगर नहीं जा सकते तो वीडियो कॉल जरूर करना. क्योंकि मैं इतना आपको बता दूं, पेरेंट्स जैसे बूढ़े होते हैं ना, हमारी जिंदगी में काफी चीजें हो जाती हैं जो शायद गैप्स भर देती हैं, लेकिन वो वक्त होता है जब पेरेंट्स को हमारी ज्यादा जरूरत होती है.
एब्सोल्युटली. आई थिंक जब पेरेंट्स बड़े होते हैं तो वो बच्चे बन जाते हैं, एंड द किड्स बिकम द पेरेंट्स. वेरी नाइस क्वेश्चन. एनीबडी एल्स? नाउ लेट्स टेक ऑफ द यूथ ब्रैकेट. दैट जेंटलमैन ओवर देयर इन द पिंक शर्ट, यस, हु इज रेजिंग हिज हैंड. कैन वी गिव हिम द माइक?
Namaskar ma'am, very good evening.
Good evening sir, how are you?
Thank you so much ma'am for such a wonderful, in short, talking about the youth development. Precisely my question is ma'am, you talked about the importance of the youth in the parliament also and for the national development also. Now for those youths, like most of the youths who do not want to join politics, I just want to ask you that what sort of policies can be implemented or some sort of key takeaways can be taken care so that they are motivated to join more of the politics? Because generally what we see is that most of the youths they want to go for engineering or IAS or something, because the general perception in India is that politics is something very nasty, not get into it. So what sort of policy which will be recommending in the parliament if you are there so that they are more motivated to join politics? Thank you so much, ma'am.
So may I know your name, please?
I am Rakesh Kumar Singh. I am assistant professor Bhagat Singh College. You came there, ma'am. It was very
Yes,
nice.
I did. Thank you, Rakesh ji, for that question.
Thank you, ma'am.
Rakesh ji, I think it is not about policies, it is about impact. Policies, there are many. Whether it is Mudra Yojana, जहाँ पे 69% loans are being given to, which have been availed by women, whether it is Startup India, whether it is Stand Up India, these are all policies. ये सारी की सारी योजनाएं youth केंद्रित ही हैं. इनफैक्ट अगर आप देखें अभी तो नेशनल अप्रेंटिसशिप प्रोग्राम प्रधानमंत्री जी ने चला दिया है, जहां पर देश की टॉप कंपनीज इंटर्नशिप्स देने वाली हैं, जो पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप के स्केल पे, मतलब वहां पे द गवर्नमेंट इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू कंट्रीब्यूट इकोनॉमिकली for basically children to get, or I would say the youth of the country to actually get upskilled and get that sort of exposure. लेकिन आपके सवाल पे मैं जरूर ये बोलना चाहूंगी that it's not just about policy, it is about impact. The impact is created by an individual. हर चीज में आपको हमेशा बहुत बड़ा नहीं देखने की जरूरत है. अगर आपका मन राजनीति में जुड़ने के लिए नहीं है, वैसे तो मैं आपसे आग्रह करूंगी कि कृपया अपना मत बदलिए. आपने कहा पॉलिटिक्स इज अ वेरी नास्टी गेम. आई विल अश्योर यू इट इज नॉट. एंड इफ यू थिंक इट इज नास्टी, व्हाई डोंट यू जॉइन एंड ट्राई एंड क्लीन इट अप? बट what I would like to tell the youth of the country is that you can definitely ensure, अगर हर युवा केवल इतना बीड़ा उठा ले कि वो एक और जिंदगी में कुछ बेहतर करेगा या करेगी, उसी से आप देख लीजिए 65% पॉपुलेशन अगर प्रतिबद्ध हो जाए एक और व्यक्ति का भला करने में, तो मुझे लगता है फिर वो सैचुरेशन लेवल 100% अपने आप आ जाएगा.
एब्सोल्युटली. मैं एक बात और कहना चाहूंगी कि एक्चुअली क्या है ना कि हमारी कंट्री में ये भी प्रॉब्लम है. हमारी कंट्री क्या कि अच्छी बात ज्यादा नहीं फैलती, बुरी बात ज्यादा फैल जाती है. सो दीज पॉलिसीज दैट बासुली यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, आई एम श्योर कि काफी सब लोगों को ये पॉलिसीज पता भी नहीं थी. क्योंकि क्या होता है कि कुछ अच्छी पॉलिसी आती भी है तो आई डोंट नो, समहाउ इट डजंट गेट प्रोपगेटेड इनफ, और देयर इज अ how important do you think marketing is in all of this?
But I have to say, I have to give credit to the youth of the country. We're talking about influencers. And my own Instagram algorithm has picked up on it. So this is not sponsored content. Nobody actually sort of sent it my way. I was scrolling. Yes, I also get that dopamine kick in the evening.
Everybody does.
Yes, but I limit it. It's not 2 hours of doom scrolling. It's, I think, 20 minutes maximum.
That's nice.
But I tell you, I'm so proud of all those influencers. And I saw this reel where this influencer was just telling you, these are the 3 must-have government apps that you should have. You should have Digi Yatra, you should have Digi Locker. And I'm so happy they were actually, it is not just about beauty tips. Nothing wrong with that. But then I'm so happy that the youth is taking on the mantle of spreading the word. Similarly, when gold bonds were actually floated by RBI.
Correct.
There were a lot of these finfluencers, as they are called, financial influencers, who actually talked about how in a volatile market, this is one of the best things to actually invest in sovereign bonds. I'm very happy that there is on social media this kind of space, and this kind of content is also being consumed. Because if there was no demand for it, nobody would supply it.
Absolutely, yeah, correct. But yes, that's very true. This kind of content is coming along, and I'm glad that. So I would request everyone कि social media पे सिर्फ beauty और fashion ना देखें, कृपा करके थोड़ा government related and investment purposes के लिए भी देखें, so you'll get more of it. Yes, over there, please.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I have a question regarding Indian polity. Since you are a parliamentarian, and it has been seen the recent decline in our Indian, parliamentary functioning, because we remember the great speeches delivered in parliament by our honorable late Prime Minister Vajpayee ji, and of course, ma'am, Sushma ma'am. So we missed that period, and parliamentary speeches are nothing but the synthesis of our society, economy, polity. But that thing is that thing has become a rarity nowadays. Is it because a parliamentary decline has taken place in our Indian polity? So I would like to know your view. And we also don't see much of the great speeches nowadays in our parliament. So that's my question. So
So what's your name?
Summer.
Samarji, I don't agree with you at all. You want to see, I don't agree at all that there has been a decline in parliament or in the quality of parliamentarians, or there has been a decline in the level of the debate. Or even as you said, you talked about polity, the Indian polity as well. I think that's probably a misstatement, and I'd like to disprove you with an example. जब नारी शक्ति वंदन अधिनियम आया तो यूनानिमस वोट से पारित हुआ। इसका मतलब है जब आप इतना बड़ा एक रिफॉर्म लेकर आ रहे हैं जहां पर आप देश की मातृशक्ति को 33% आरक्षण दे रहे हैं विधानसभा और लोकसभा में, तो of course due credit to the Modi government that they were able to make a consensus happen. But I would say कि कहीं ना कहीं मैं धन्यवाद देती हूँ हर एक पार्लियामेंटेरियन का, हर एक राजनीतिक दल का, कि उन्होंने राष्ट्र हित में अपनी विचारधारा की भिन्नता को एक तरफ रखते हुए यूनानिमसली इस बिल को पारित करा।
Fantastic. And I completely agree with Basuri. And मैं आपसे एक चीज और कहना चाहूंगी कि जो स्पीच होती है ना वो सिर्फ शब्द होते हैं. Whether it's applied or not applied, I don't know. But I know this. कि 20 साल पहले there were so many of the youth who wanted to fly abroad, who wanted to settle abroad, go to America, UK, whatever. After today, it doesn't happen. People want to come here in our country, and the youth wants to stay here and make a change.
Absolutely.
So ये decline नहीं है.
We've shifted from brain drain to brain gain.
Yes.
And that makes a lot of sense.
That shows the progress of our country, that nobody wants to leave the country because it's doing so well. But of course, each its own. This was just, you asked a question, and ma'am, thank you so